Good morning, ni hao. Today we are going to be with Guide Duke and explore Taipei via MRT, which is their metro or subway, whatever you want to call it. They have pre-purchased a 2-day card for us, but nonetheless, I want to learn how their MRT works. I'm sure it's just as easy as it was in Sanya and China and other places we've been in the world, Japan. So let's see Taipei on foot and by MRT. Come with us today. We're going to begin at the Zhongshan Elementary School MRT station. We are going to investigate the machines though also. I just want to see how you do it. Okay, there is the map. So if I wanted a single journey ticket, let's say, then you select the fare and number of tickets. How would I know what the fare is? You have to look up here to see. All right, so we're up here at Zhongshan. It's yellow, right?
Yep. Zhongshan. Elementary school.
We're right there. And let's say I want to go to Shimending. We would be blue. It would be around there somewhere, isn't it? Right there. Let's see. So I would press that. That's 20. So back to that.
20.
And then I would press 20.
Yep.
And then I would press the amount of tickets, 2, right? And then the money goes right in there, and you get your change, and you're in business. But as I said, today we've got a 2-day pass. I'll let you go first, Sonny. You just press it on it. There you go. There's his. And that's mine. And we're through. Points to the directions. We could have walked. Once again, you have to know which direction you're heading to.
Go to the next stop, the Minchuan West Road.
All right.
Turn to the red line.
They make it so simple. Once again, immaculate rail cars. Clean, efficient. We went to the Bay 2 area before. They have hot springs out there. Like all the other places, you have to swipe it when you leave. Every MRT station has a different design. We're going to take bus 651. Shows that it's coming soon. And it is, it's coming soon. The MRT passes are good on the buses too.